Hey everyone. Road tripping in an SUV basically provides all the room you need for luggage, food and drink, and any other travel items you may want to bring along. You know, like a beach umbrella. Or your new golf sticks. But what do you do when you travel with another couple? Well, we ran out of room recently on a couple's road trip, and that's when we decided to purchase a Rooftop cargo bag. I'll tell you why we bought the one we did, and I'll show you how easy it is to use. So we decided that we needed a Rooftop cargo container for a few road trips each year. Our main two questions were, one, where do we get the rack system? And two, what type of cargo container are we going to attach to said rack system? The first question was easy to answer. We went back to the Volvo dealership and they sold us a rack system and showed us how to put it onto the SUV. It's quite easy, and I'll show you shortly as well. Plus, once locked in place, you can just leave it on the vehicle permanently. The second question was, what type of cargo container do we want to buy? The soft top version by Thule worked best for us. It had the right amount of extra space, was at a lower price point than the roof box, and the fact that it was collapsible allowed for easy storage when it isn't in use. This video is not an endorsement for Thule, but I will say I'm really happy with it. We looked at several containers and Thule just seemed to work best for us. Plus, it's Swedish, and since Volvo is still headquartered in Sweden, it seemed like a natural match. After getting the bag out from the vehicle, I looked for the 4 straps needed to attach it to the roof rack. From there, I put it on top of the SUV, empty of course. We'll load it after it's in place, and I then began to attach it. Start from the back slat and thread it over and into the closer slat. It's what I remember from years ago. The rabbit pops out of the hole, goes around the tree, and back into another hole closer to you. Then just pull the strap tight onto the rack, repeat the process in the other 3 corners, and you're done. Once the bag is in place and fully loaded, zip it closed, press down onto the velcro, and then tug on the compression straps to make it as streamlined as possible. If you're wondering, we have used this through a few rainstorms and have never had anything inside get wet. Now a quick show of how to get the rack system attached to your car. Unlock each side of the bar and loosen the bolt that holds it in place. Once both sides are unlocked and loose, you can move the rack to better fit whatever cargo you're carrying. Since I've already settled on where these bars need to be, I won't move them again, but rest assured it's easy to do. Then turn the bolt tightly until you hear a click. Put the cover back on and lock it in place. You're done. Off we go. You can see through the moonroof that even on highways there's no concern with this blowing off. It's a very well-made cargo bag and still shows no signs of wear and tear after several uses. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe as I add travel videos regularly.